In this problem, we are talking about acute, obtuse, and right triangles. It is asking us, are the triangles below acute, obtuse, or right? We need to look at the angle measures in the triangles. In an acute triangle, each angle is acute. Acute means each angle measures less than 90 degrees. In an obtuse triangle, there is an obtuse angle. That means the angle measures more than 90 degrees. And in a right triangle, there is a right angle. A right angle means the angle measures exactly 90 degrees. So let's look at our first triangle. We have 45 degrees in one corner, 45 degrees in another corner. And we have our little box in this corner, which means this angle is 90 degrees. Another way to see it is we can add 45 and 45, which gives us 90, and our triangle has to add up to 180 in the inside, so we have 180 minus 90, which gives us 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degrees. We go down and look at our rules, and we see in a right triangle, there is a right angle. That means the angle is 90 degrees. We have 90 degrees here, so we have a right angle. Let's look at our next triangle. We have 80 degrees, 50 degrees, and 50 degrees. So we go down to our rules, and we see in an acute triangle, each angle is acute, which means less than 90 degrees. These are all less than 90 degrees. So we have an acute triangle. In our next triangle, we have 120 degrees, 30, and 30 degrees. So we look at our rules again, and we see in an obtuse triangle, there's an obtuse angle that measures more than 90 degrees. And in this problem, we have 120, which is more than 90. So that means we have an obtuse triangle. Let's look at our last triangle. We have 55 and 35 degrees, and then our box, which means 90 degrees, or we can add up 55 and 35, which gives us 90. So we know to add up to 180, this corner also has to add up to 90. So we look down at our rules again, and we know that if the angle has a 90-degree angle, it's a right angle or a right triangle. So remember, when we're talking about acute, obtuse, and right triangles, remember these three rules.